Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the file type, and that Excel is closed so Power BI can access it without locks. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data then Excel, navigate to the workbook and select it. You'll see sheet and table previews. Pick the tables you need. Make sure to decide now whether to load immediately for quick import or click Transform Data to refine columns and types first. This saves cleanup time later. Next, you refine the data in Power Query. Remove unused columns, split combined fields, and set correct data types so visuals behave predictably. Once you apply changes, switch to Model View to create relationships by dragging matching keys. Set cardinality and cross-filter direction so filters flow correctly. Then add calculated columns or measures with DAX for sums, percentages, or date intelligence. These steps, finally, you design visuals. Drag fields to charts, add slicers for interactivity, and include summary cards for key metrics. Test filters to confirm everything updates. Save the PBICs and publish to Power BI Service. If your source is on OneDrive or SharePoint, set Scheduled Refresh or use Direct Connect to keep data current. If something breaks, make sure to check data types and relationships first. Most filter or aggregation issues stem from mismatched keys or incorrect column types.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.